Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and in this video I'm showing you how to replace the rear driver's side window on a 2021 Chevy Silverado. My rear window was busted out by somebody who was looking for firearms. Thankfully they did not get any, but they basically just busted it out and then didn't steal anything. So I've already cleaned up the mess. It busted into a million little pieces, so you just take a shop vac and vacuum it all out. But if you're needing to replace your window for whatever reason, it's cracked, it's fully broken, this is the video for you. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is remove everything that you have on there to close off the hole of the window, which in my case is a surgical drape and some tape. So I'll go ahead and cut that off, and then we can go ahead and start removing the door. Next, you want to come down to the bottom of the door and remove this 9/32 inch bolt. Now, if you come up to the top here and open the handle, you can see there's a little notch on this panel behind the handle. Just insert a screwdriver in that slot and pop the panel out. Behind that, you can see there's another 9/32 inch bolt. Now we need to pop this panel off and remove the bolts from behind there. Alright, that just pops off. And then you have this bolt behind here. And then you also have these two bolts back in here as well. Now on the inside here, you see a connection for the door handle. For that, you just need to pop this down, pull this out, and slide it up out of there. Unplug this cable, and then you can set the door aside. All right, now after you vacuumed all the broken glass out of your door, you can now plug your window back into the door panel, as I have here. I just have it plugged in. That way you can use the button and lower your window regulator down. All right, so I have the window regulator clip right there. You see that knob that pops into the hole on the window glass. So we'll just lower the glass into there. All right, so there's a few things that I didn't show. Basically, there's the inner trim plastic piece that goes up around the top there. All you have to do is just pull that off and it just pops off all the way around. Another thing I did was pull this piece out that was right here. That just lifts out as well. And then there's a 10mm bolt here. Undo that, and then this plastic piece can slide to the side. And then all you have to do is slide the window in from this side here. You just pull this back, slide the window in, drop it all the way down, and then you can coax this out back onto the window. And you drop the window down into this thing here and on the regulator, and it just snaps back into place with that little knob there. So window's in, and we can start putting it all back together. All right, that's how to replace the rear driver's side window on a 2021 Chevy Silverado. I'll put the exact GM part number for the window in the description. Thanks for watching.